What's up you guys, it's VincaniTV, and today I wanted to share with you guys some new additions to my online classes. As you know, for the past 6 months or so, I've been doing monthly master classes here in my garage. And for the past 3 months, I've been doing weekly beginners classes here in my garage as well. But starting in August, I'm gonna be doing a new beginner breaking course, meaning starting from the very beginning, starting from lesson number 1, leading all the way up into learning basics about footwork, top rocks, get down, flow, freezes, power moves, all that stuff. It's intended to give you a basic background and make you feel comfortable with breaking. This class will take place every single week, and if you are already part of my beginner class, your tier is actually going to be upgraded to being a intermediate tier, meaning we'll continue learning just how we've been and also give opportunity for new people to start learning from the ground up. As many of you might know, my 9 to 5 is teaching breaking to kids and teens in public schools. And unfortunately, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, most schools are not going to be reopening this fall. And to be completely honest, I'm just making a prediction, but I don't think they're going to allow breaking to happen in schools for some time. You know, I can't imagine them allowing a bunch of sweaty kids, you know, dancing in a cafeteria over an 8-hour time span. You know, it just doesn't seem realistic right now. This is probably gonna be the new normal, at least for now. And it really sucks for me because, you know, this isn't just my job, it's my passion, it's my life, it's my life's work to, you know, mentor and teach kids. But at the same time, it also presents an opportunity that I've never offered. You know, a lot of kids have asked me through the years, you know, how can I take your class? How can I show up? And most of the time there's not an opportunity. But now anybody in the entire world could actually tune in, participate, and take my class. So make sure you guys click on my Patreon link below and sign up for either my beginner class, my intermediate class, my monthly master class, my feedback tiers where you get feedback on what you're learning, or all of the above, right? And if you guys have any friends, family, neighbors, or anyone that might have kids that, you know, need something to do over the next couple months, make sure you guys send this to them as well, okay? Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys have any questions, concerns, leave a comment below. If you guys want to help out even more, press like, subscribe, share this video. Again, I appreciate you guys being here, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.